Hey guys, welcome to, let's just say, this is Keeping Up with Stephanie again, and we're going to talk about from E3. Yes, a couple weeks ago, this video will probably be leaked, as usual. E3 Super Smash Bros. Ultimate coming soon to December 7th. Let's just say it will be coming soon. It is true that Super Smash Bros. Will be coming soon to December 7th, and I have the link right here on my YouTube channel, to Nintendo Switch. Okay. I don't want to copy it. It will include Mario Tennis Aces, Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, and Let's Go Eevee, and many more on this incredible. It even includes Mario Minecraft. You all love Minecraft. I will have a link to the trailer. It will be available on Nintendo Switch, it looks like it. And yes, it looks like it will be available on Nintendo Switch. And yes, make sure that's pretty much it on that news of the sort. So make sure you let me know what your thoughts on this one. If you're a big Nintendo Switcher, I'm glad I gave you this heads up on the news of gaming. Let me know in the comments below, and what was your favorite part of E3? I want to know. What are you excited for? And yeah, let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts, and I would love to hear what your favorite part of E3 was, what your favorite game was, or whatever. So let me know in the comments below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you follow me all on of the internet of At Live. See ya, peace, bye, and subscribe.